Hello everybody. So I am unboxing today my new energy oracle card. Okay, so let's see. So I got these cards from Amazon. Luckily, these cards were available at very low price at Amazon. It was around 800 rupees. And it was only for last week. Okay, so let's see. So it is energy oracle card 53 cards deck and guidebook. So we also have a guidebook into this. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is very good packed, and even with Amazon I have arrived this card within uh, 4 5 5 days. It got arrived within 5 days in Amazon. So yeah, it's recommended to get it from Amazon. And if you see, it is well packed. I am removing the cover now, and yeah, you can see the page from side. It looks like this. Okay, Sandra N.A. Taylor Energy Oracle card. It has very good review at Amazon, guys. So when I have actually uh, saw this card at 800, I thought it won't be that good, but when I've checked the review, there was almost around 800 reviews at Amazon, and everybody has given 5-star rating. So like 95% people have given 5-star rating. So this is really very good rating card, and I can also see with the package and the overall fixing in the box, it looks good. Okay, it looks good. It's the packaging and the overall feel is very good. Okay, so let's open it now. Okay, this looks pretty tight at least for me. Okay, yeah, I think I could able to open finally. Okay, so yeah, we have nice guidebook, as you can see. And see, if your guidebook, because it's pretty thick. Okay, I mean there is good content, it looks like. And the one good thing I really liked about this card was, so it's like a tarot, it's oracle card, but like a lot of other tarot and oracle cards, it's actually have two reverse meaning. I mean the one single side also, as well as the reverse meaning also. Okay, so see, like for the example, this, if you can see, we have upright meaning also, and we have a reversed meaning as well. Okay, and we have affirmation as well. All right, for every card. Okay, yeah, which is a good thing, right? And the quality of a book is also good. It's about the author. Okay, the Sandra Anne Taylor is a New York Times best-selling author of Quantum Success, The Hidden Power of Your Past Life, Secret of Attraction, several other titles from He House. After 25 years in private psychologic practice, okay, nice. She now focuses on intuitive coaching, integrating energy reading with past life insight. Her books are available in 26 languages across the globe. So I think very demanding author. It looks like Sandra Anne Taylor. So yeah, book looks good. I can see the meaning also well clearly written. Very thick book for 53 cards. Okay. So yeah. So okay, let's see about the cards. Let's open the cards now. Nice. So okay, I can see this. Let's open. Yeah, let's see this. Okay, nice cards. It looks thick also. Magician, the mirror. Okay, so you can see the header is title is mentioned very clearly in this card. We have the sun, and then we have the journey, okay, and then we have blossom, abundance, happy family, which is good, right? Which is looks good. Let's pick one card and read about the meaning of it, okay? Let's pick any card, but the quality of a card is good. It's thick, and I'll try to shuffle with this card. Okay. Let's see whichever card is coming out. We are gonna pick and have one single meaning of it, okay? Good. It looks good, okay? It looks really good. Nice. So let's have this card, the first card. The Magician, the Mirror, which is a 53rd card. Okay, let's see what is the meaning. The Magician, the Mirror card we got. Let's see what does it mean. Yeah, the last card, 169. So, yeah. This card upright represents the culmination of your personal and spiritual power at this time. In the Magician's left hand is the flame of passion and the action. In his right hand is vortex of a water and the light of the reflection. The highly beneficial card is telling you that you are a magician and within your grasp are memorizing force of earth and spirit. The water is the energy of being and power of spirit, clarity of thought. So we can just relate like this. Okay, so in magician's hand we have water and then we have a fire. So it's talking about water, which is yin, which is energy, power of a spirit, and clarity of a thought. Flame is the energy of yang, so this is yin and yang. Okay, as you can see, this is yin and yang. The flame is the energy of yang, bringing direction and creativity together. They give you the magnificent magic of transformation. The mirror stand beside them. The mirrors stand beside the magician, reflecting the outer world's response to your choice to use the true power that you have. Okay, its silver reflects the reveals the future in wisdom horizon ready to be magically formed. The silver, alright. When you receive the magician upright, you put and notice that important and powerful time is at hand. You are alchemist of your life, just an alchemist turned base metal into gold. You are able to transform your difficult times into great blessing. This is true in every area of your life. Claim your power, embrace your intention in your heart and your daily life. Direct your destiny and mist of fortune will clear into brilliant reality. So it's very much clear that this magician is nothing but that you have got a power now, and now you can actually do good in your life, and you definitely hold the power to change your life, and your mind is also set, and you just have to go ahead and do that. Okay, so very beautifully explained, very clearly explained this book through this guidebook. And yeah, this card's quality also good, so yeah, you can go ahead and buy. So usually guys, I have seen that in Amazon cards are sometimes comes very pricey, as well as it also see. So this is tip of this unboxing which I have got while unboxing. Okay, so the one tip which I have got, that usually in Amazon you have multiple cards available, oracle cards, but usually if you notice properly, some cards price go low at certain time. Okay, like this card, when I was buying it was around 800, but when I checked this card's name, same the this week, and I bought this card last week. So now this card's price is somewhere around 3,000 to 3,500, 2,500, like that. Okay, different buying options it's showing, but when I bought it, I got it in just 800, 799 rupees. So just have a look into the cards, that which whichever card you like, and if you see the price is so much, wait for some time in Amazon. When price drops, you can buy it at that same time. So yeah, so that's how I do it. And even the same cards, same when I was actually buying this particular card, Oracle of Fairies, this is 44 card deck and guidebook. So even while looking, I got this card around some 800 rupees, but now it is around 1500. So yeah, wait for the right time when in Amazon, that when you have right time to buy in that particular week. When prices go down, you can go ahead and buy. Okay, so hope it helps, and yeah, let's see next time for another unboxing, and do follow Magic Tarot Read. Thank you.